Alright, what I want to demonstrate right now is one of the many uses for a condom. What I've done here is I've filled a condom full of water. Condoms are good to use for water collection. Depending on the size and the type, you can probably get between a quart and a liter of water. What you want to be careful of is try to get one that's non-lubricated, or unscented. Reason why you don't want any lubrication on it is because you're trying to handle this, and what happens, you might slip around, drop it. You can always turn it inside out if that's an option for you, but then think about, the water you're putting inside there. If you're going to put water in here to take it back and disinfect, you're going to have lubricated, spermicidal water, and maybe you want that, maybe you don't. I prefer not to have that. So just a regular plain condom, should be fine. So if you think about it, this is doing two things. One, you've collected water, but now you need to disinfect that water. So what I'm going to demonstrate right now is how to start a fire using a condom. So basically you're doing two things. You collected the water, now you're using that water to get a fire so you can disinfect that water. So what we have here is some tinder, and in the center we have some char rope. I'm going to use the sun. It's going to pass through the curvature, and what's going to happen is it's going to ignite the target area. You can already see, just like the bottles or Ziploc bags we've used before, you can see the sunlight already going through that and focusing a beam. So what I'm going to do right now, let me try to see if I can zoom this in a little bit. There we go. I'm going to bring it over top of our target area and see what happens. Try and get the smallest beams you can on your target area. And you want to move it around a little bit. Once you get your small beam focused on your target, it will heat up, producing an ember. So move it around, get the right angle. There we go. Okay, I see smoke. And the char rope is lit. Now I'm going to carefully remove this, and for this case I've got a towel, you have a bandana, you have a shirt, you have something, you can put this on that way it won't burst on you. The whole point of collecting water was so you can disinfect it. You'll want to go through all the process of collecting it, getting a fire started, and then lose it. And there you go, fire using a condom.